To add a new page in WordPress, follow these simple steps. Log into WordPress dashboard. Access your WordPress admin area by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-admin and logging in with your credentials. Navigate to Pages. On the left-hand menu, click on Pages. This will show a list of all your existing pages. Add new page. Click on the Add New button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the page editor. Add page title. In the editor, type the title of your page in the Enter Title Here field. Add page content. Below the title, you can add the content of your page. Use the block editor or classic editor to format text, add images, videos, and other media, or embed any content. Customize page settings. On the right-hand side, you can adjust settings such as page attributes, selecting a parent page, template, or customizing the featured image. Publish page. Once you're satisfied with the page, click the Publish button on the right. You can also preview the page before publishing to make sure everything looks good.